Well, UNSW Gateway was set up to solve a problem. We know that certain groups of people are not participating in university at the same rate as others. Those groups include First Nations people, people from low socioeconomic status backgrounds, and people from regional, rural, and remote communities. For instance, at UNSW in 2023, less than 8% of undergraduate enrolments were from low SES backgrounds. We also know that those students from low SES backgrounds are more likely to drop out of university across the sector, are less likely to find full-time employment after university, and when they do find that employment, they tend to earn less compared to their high SES counterparts. So we wanted to find out what the barriers were to participation at UNSW for these students and to address those barriers through UNSW Gateway. One of the reasons is because Australia has one of the most socially segregating schooling systems in the developed world. The differences in opportunity that students have across the sector often translate into differences in attainment, and we call this the pipeline of privilege. This social segregation situation has also gotten worse since the pandemic. This means that more and more young people are having their potential limited by their social background, and this is an enormous waste of human capital. So we wanted to work out what these barriers are and try and remove them. The main barrier is the ATAR system. The ATAR itself is a very flawed measure of students' potential to succeed at university. We know now that once at university, students from disadvantaged backgrounds are performing on par, if not outperforming their more advantaged peers. And this evidence suggests that the ATAR tends to inflate academic potential of students from higher SES backgrounds to the exclusion of students with just as much potential from less privileged backgrounds. Yes, it does matter. We know that university provides opportunities for personal and intellectual development, so access should be widened for that reason alone. But it also provides the basis for achieving significant individual socioeconomic advancement and intergenerational mobility, and therefore plays a crucial role in levelling the socioeconomic playing field in Australia. For instance, we know that full-time workers with a higher education qualification earn around 50% more than those with just a secondary school qualification. And over a lifetime, this really adds up to approximately $1 million in difference in income. So this financial inequality is exacerbated by the fact that students from low SES backgrounds remain underrepresented in fields that lead to the careers with the highest private financial return. We need to take action. If we don't do anything to improve university access to more underrepresented students, we risk that the gap between those with a uni degree and those without will widen further. So this is the case for taking action to increase access to university and to UNSW for underrepresented students, and to ensure they're set up to succeed once they're here.